Okay, so right now we try backwards from the same flow control system, and you can see we're only 1 foot inside. Looks like probably they have a lot of tree roots. Same team. But this side we only make it 1 foot, so somebody needs to rot it out to clear the line to remove the tree roots, because you can see a lot of tree roots. They got a big tree everywhere. So alright, so I'm gonna get back this way. You can see it right there, the water, and this is full of water right there. You can see the water, and this is the flow control system here. They have the pump. They have the pump on this side. Right here is the pump, and this is the pipe for the pump here. The pipe here. Oh, see the tree root is back. There's a house in that tree root. So this is a big hole right here. Flow control without. The cleaner right there. And here's the house. 1828. So there's the house right there.